Your cabin is fitted with the Eco Plus electrical system, which allows you to use the LED lighting, USB charging sockets, and RAM hydraulics, if they're fitted, directly from the battery without the need for any other power source. The Eco Plus is also equipped with a load shedder to protect the charge in the battery, making sure there's always enough power to start the generator and operate the RAMs. To use any electrical items in your cabin, switch the cabin power isolator in the main canteen to the on position. When the cabin power isolator is on, the mobile unit's hydraulic RAMs will now function. Your 12-volt USB sockets are now active and can be used to charge mobile phones, tablets and notebooks. You can also use the 12-volt LED lighting. The lights in your canteen and office and/or changing room, if specified, are operated via a switch on the wall. The lights in the toilets and generator drying room are operated via a PIR sensor and will come on automatically as someone enters the room and turn off once they leave. To operate all other electrical items in your Eco Plus cabin, please either connect to an external power source or turn on the onboard generator using the green button on the control panel in the canteen. Make sure that the internal-external power switch is set correctly to either 1 for external power or 2 for internal generator power. You will then need to use the main power selector switch to direct power to the electrical items you wish to operate. Turn the power selector switch to position 1 to use the two 30-volt plug sockets and kitchen appliances, the kettle and microwave. In the case of the kettle and microwave, please make sure their respective dedicated isolator switches are also in the on position. Turn the power selector switch to position 2 to operate the instant hot water hand wash units. Their dedicated isolator switches must also be on. In the canteen, this switch is under the sink. In the toilet, it's on the wall near the hot wash unit. Please be aware that when the power selector switch is in position 2, there will be no power to the two 30-volt wall sockets or appliances, and vice versa when the power selector switch is in position 1, there will be no power to the instant hot wash unit. To start using the hot wash units, simply turn the dial to the required temperature from 1 to cool to 10 for hot. The water is heated instantly and starts to flow. If you have a sensor-operated hand wash, just move your hands in front of the sensor and the water will flow. To stop it, move your hands again. Make sure the hand wash units always have adequate water supply, as if they run dry they can be damaged. In the canteen, the water tank is located beneath the sink. In the toilets, the tank will either be filled through a cap in the sink if you have a chemical toilet, or through a filler cap in the side of the unit if you have a freshwater equipped toilet. All heaters can be operated with a selector in any position, 0, 1 or 2. Your Eco Plus welfare cabin will be fitted with one or more types of heater. To operate the plinth heater, use the switches on the front of the unit. The top switch turns the heater on and off. The lower switches control the temperature. Its dedicated power isolator is located inside the bench seating. To use the fan heater, make sure its dedicated power isolator is switched on and then use the white cord on the heater to switch on and off. The 12-volt Webasto diesel heater can be purchased as an optional extra for Eco Plus specified units. It runs off the battery with no need for generator or external power. To switch the unit on and control temperature, turn the dial to the right. Turn left to decrease temperature and switch off. The Webasto uses a sensor to monitor and maintain cabin temperature, so the heater may switch itself on and off during use. It is also programmed to switch off automatically after 4 hours of use. If this happens, just switch the heater off and back on again to restart. When the cabin is to be left unused for a period of time, always turn the cabin power isolator off. When the battery is isolated, the hydraulic RAMs cannot be operated, helping to prevent theft and vandalism in our mobile units. With the Eco Plus system, the distribution board is usually located in the canteen area. It contains an RCD main switch and test button, and individual MCBs to protect the electrical circuits for the vehicle. To test the main RCD, open the cover and ensure the RCD paddle is in the on position. Press the test button and the paddle will move to the down-off position and power will be cut to all circuits. If this does not happen, the RCD is faulty and the electrical system should not be used until rectified by qualified personnel. To reset the RCD or any MCB, push the paddles to the on position.